Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add your pronouns on your account on Discord, easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click here, and here you will find pronouns. Now you can add your pronouns, and that's it. That's how to add pronouns on your account on Discord, easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.